Workflow levels are defined for specific user roles within a service to enable them to perform a set of workflow actions. There can be one or more than one levels defined for a specific user role depending on their scope and permissible actions. Workflow levels are completely configurable. To configure workflow levels, download the data template. As we can see here, the template contains 5 data columns. Provide the module name to map the selected workflow action to the selected user role. Enter the specific module service for which the workflow level has to be defined. Identify the workflow level for the selected task. Level 1 indicates the first sequence of tasks that should be completed before the second level takes over. Task refers to the specific state or workflow action that has to be performed. And, finally, identify the role that is responsible for executing the listed task. Update the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know details of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for workflow levels. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of workflow levels. Thank you.